angles. A good skincare routine keep your skin healthy, glowy and clear. Watch her enter know the secrets. Here I share some skin secrets to get the perfect juiciest skincare routine that could actually shows the result. But there was a problem. Not all skin types are same. So here are the different skin types, choose yours. Remember to avoid using harsh skincare products that can strip your skin of natural oils and cause dryness or irritation. Look for products labeled as gentle or formulated for sensitive skin. Start your skincare routine by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to shower day in morning and in night. This step helps to remove dirt, oil and impurities that can clog pores and lead to breakouts. A gentle cleanser is perfect for everyday use, while an exfoliating cleanser can be used once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells. Toning should be the two-in step after cleansing. Apply a good quality toner, spray it on your face, or use a cotton ball to apply it. It's important to hydrate your skin. You can also use a good quality rose water as a toner. It works well on your face. Third step should be the moisturizer. Is essential part in our skincare, even if your skin type isole. Look for the lightweight and non-greasy moisturizer serum. Apply it on your face and neck. Don't skip neck in skincare. For oily skin, lightweight oil-free moisturizer is perfect. For dry skin, you may apply heavy cream-based moisturizer. If your skin is acne-prone, you may use gel-based moisturizer. If your skin is sensitive, you should use a fragrance-free moisturizers. Fourth step should be the sunscreen. It can protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. Apply it every day, even on cloudy days. Lip care. Always apply lip balm before going to bed to prevent it from dryness. Remember, consistency is important for seeing results and maintaining healthy skin. Thank you so much for watching.